Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can set start time and end time of quiet mode on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on time spent. After that, you can see the option of quiet mode. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of start time. Tap on it. Then select start time of your choice. Then tap on OK. After that, you can see the option of end time. Tap on it and select time of your choice. Then tap on OK. So, this is how you can set start time and end time of quiet mode on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.